Hello everyone. In this session, let us look at the concept of linked hashset. A linked hashset is an ordered version of hashset. It is very similar to hashset with only one difference that it is an ordered collection. It maintains the insertion order. So let us first create the object of linked hashset. Let us use the conventional approach. Let us declare the object with the reference type. Say character set1 is equal to new, and we need to import the linked hashset. Then to add the elements, we simply have the add method. So let us add some characters over here. So we have added 5 characters A, E, I, O, U, and now let us display the set. So in this case, we can expect that the set contains the elements in the same order as that of the insertion order. So when we run this program, we see the elements as in the same order. So that is the only difference in between the hash set and linked hash set. Linked hash set maintains a doubly linked list internally, but it is not from list part. It is still part of set. It is just a small part of its architecture. Apart from that, it doesn't allow the duplicates. If you try to add duplicates, it will omit those, and you do not have the positional access. You cannot access elements by using the index, and all the methods like add, remove, clear, they are very similar to the ones from hash set. Add will add the elements, remove will remove, clear will clear the whole set, contains will tell us whether a particular element is present or not present, size will tell us the size, and also the union and intersection operations you can still perform on the linked hash set, and those are very same, so we are not going to see them again. They are exactly similar to what we have seen for hash set. And also converting to list is also same, so only one difference, that is the insertion order. It maintains the insertion order. So that is about the hash set. In the next session we'll look at the